So I found these pants at the thrift store. I noticed that they are a little bit worn on the inner thigh here. So I ended up picking up, I don't even have it, so I'm here. I ended up picking up like this patch, which obviously is not the same color. I was thinking about going in, like patching it on the inside, but I can just fix this. I'm not even gonna worry about the patch. You are going to need some thread and a needle, of course. I already pre-threaded mine. If you need instructions on how to thread a needle, you should probably not be doing this tutorial. What I'm gonna do is go through and come right out. You see that? Oh my gosh, zoom in. There we go. So I just went right through, and what that's going to do is make a little ladder, and then you're going to go on the other side and do the exact same thing. See? Oops, sorry. And then go through, and you are just going to do that all the way up. Now, because it's a thicker thread, I'm gonna go ahead and just make bigger spaces because, again, not that important to me. Okay, so at that point, the actual problem is about here to here. You can see I went a lot further than that. So this is the cool part. Once you're done, you just go ahead and take it, and you're gonna pull this thread and pull it as tight as you possibly can. And you can see that it's gonna start closing, but we're almost done. Actually gonna do, this is my first time doing this, so actually gonna go through the inside and take this and just pull that, and I'm actually gonna tighten the loop to this. I feel like that would be more useful here. So when you're done, you should not see any of the thread at all. It should look like this. You're gonna see this right here. Now I suggest to, let me see, I'm just gonna make, okay, so you see those the other pieces of thread here? I'm just gonna go through one of them and then loop it around. So that's just gonna tie that off. Okay, and then I'm just gonna poke a hole through, and then we're gonna go on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this off here. And I'm going to separate them and tie them. Cool. Alright, go ahead and cut that off, and there we have it. That is a wonderfully patched up jeans. Obviously it's not perfect, it's done by hand, but you can't see it. I'm gonna do the other one so you can kind of give a little comparison. There's some fraying there that I'm also gonna patch up, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So I hope this helps.